So Caillou, why are you here? I'm burped in class.
Three more episodes coming season 6. Season 5 episode 17. Caillou burps in class / expelled forever / grounded. Enjoy!
Okay class, it's time for math. Hey, Caillou, did you just burp? No, I didn't burp. Lie to me, you just burped. That's it, go to the principal's office now.
When Caillou got to the principal's office.
So Caillou, why are you here? I'm burped in class.
What?
How dare you burp in class? That's it, Caillou. You are expelled from this school forever, and you're never coming back to the school again. Go home now. What? Hey.
When Caillou got home.
Caillou, how dare you burp in class and got expelled from school forever. That's it. You're grounded forever. Caillou is right. You're grounded forever. Now go to bed now. What?